Wow, this is still not fixed from the bad storm. I think it was Ian. Look at this. This is Splash Park, where we always come with the kids. You can see the boardwalk up there, but this is what it looks like. Still all a mess. I haven't been down here for quite a while. Look at that, it's a mess. But there's the surf, and there's Aunt Debbie.
All my pockets like I'm a chipmunk.
Yeah, me too. Okay, we're gonna go down and walk on the beach. Yeah, we couldn't have driven. There's so much water, Debbie. Would have been bad. So we parked here. There's nobody in the parking lot.
Just watch them come in for a little bit. All right, that's some good ones. They're quieted down a lot since.
This is being fixed.
That's a hotel, right?
I guess, but I don't know that. See, they're still building that retention wall and stuff.
Do you have it all? That one's
No. All right, go and ask them what they're doing, Deb.
get up to the counter.
Wow, the surf is way up, was all the way up to here. Look at that.